Hey guys, for the house update. Purchased a house. 2 days later, house flooded. Entire house flooded. Kitchen, bathrooms, basement, living, dining, bedroom, everywhere has water. We are still not moved in. We have to start paying bills in the new house, but we're not in the new house. Still living somewhere else, which we have to pay bills at. This whole house buying process was just a ghetto situation. On closing day, previous owner left so much trash behind. The kids running up there. Trash everywhere, in every room, bedroom, closet, basement, garage, trash everywhere. So we have to deal with that. We've been cleaning, getting trash out. If you're selling a house, you get a professional, you have the house clean, have the house ready for sale, but our realtor was able to get $1,000 out of them for the cleanup. Oh y'all, it's just we are hanging on, honestly, because I just know God makes no mistake. We're good. We're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. So on another note, y'all, today is Saturday and it is self-care day. I am at the gym parking lot now. I'm about to go in and get a little workout in. Right after my workout, I'm gonna go get a facial. You guys, I'm telling you right now, this moment, if you don't do anything for yourself as a mom, get you a facial once a month. Get a facial. If you don't do anything else, you don't do the nails. Like me, I don't do my nails. My nail beds are very sensitive. Unless it's something really special, I don't really want to do my nails, right? My toes, I'll do my toes, but get you a facial. Get you a facial. Make sure your brows look good. Get you facial. You will look beautiful. Yeah, but it's so relaxing. A facial is so relaxed. I be looking forward to my facial. I can't wait to get on that table, bed, whatever you call it, and have somebody play with my face for an hour, just washing it and moisturizing it. So good. That's what I'm gonna do after the gym. I'm gonna run and get a facial. So I don't have much time for the gym today, and I haven't been consistent at the gym. With everything that's going on, being a mother, I just have not been to the gym as I would like. I'm gonna go in today, get a little leg day in, and run for my facial. Yeah, we are done. We are done with the gym, y'all. We're gonna go to my facial appointment. The gym was good. The gym was good. It's always like that. You don't come, then you're like, oh, I don't feel like going. But then when you do come, it's like, ooh, why did I want to come again? It feels great. It felt good working out today. But you know, the thing is with the gym, I think we put way too much expectation on gym results. Like when we come to the gym, we expect to look a certain way and stuff like that. And when you look in the mirror and you don't see that look, you just like, it's discouraging. But sometimes we overlook the importance of the gym. Is to move your body, is to live a better lifestyle, a healthier lifestyle. So, but if you come into the gym mainly to get a bigger butt, bigger thighs, bigger legs, bigger back, then you're gonna be you're gonna be in the mirror often looking, checking, is my back big? Is my leg big? Is my butt big? And if it's not, you're not gonna want to go to the gym anymore. You will not want to go to the gym. So I think we should put less expectation. Just go to the gym. Just go to move your body. Of course have goals. Of course have, but the main goal should be to get to the gym consistently. That should be the main goal. Everything else gonna fall into place. Ooh. I'm ready for this facial. Done with the facial and skin is glowing. We got sunscreen on. I wish it was longer. Can't wait for my next facial. Take care of yourself, ladies. Take care of yourself. Do things for yourself. The end of the video, and I'm gonna go and eat. I haven't had anything to eat. I am hungry. Just don't forget to take care of yourself, even when things get hard, even when you are busy. Take a little time for you, and I'm gonna see you in my next one.